Cherry eye is a common eye problem in dogs where a small gland in the corner of the eye sticks out and looks like a red lump. It can make your dog's eye look swollen and uncomfortable. There are simple and easy tips to safely care for your dog's cherry eye at home. When you first notice cherry eye in your dog, try to stay calm. Look closely at your dog's eye to see if the red lump is big, swollen, or painful. Check if your dog is rubbing the eye or acting uncomfortable. Staying calm will also help your dog feel more relaxed. Before touching your dog's face or eye, always wash your hands with soap and water. This helps prevent bacteria from entering the eye and making things worse. To help treat cherry eye, it is important to keep your dog's eye area clean. Use a soft, dry microfiber cloth to gently wipe around the eye. Make sure the cloth is clean to avoid spreading germs. Wipe away any dirt, dust, or discharge near the eye. Do not press too hard or touch the red lump directly. For cherry eye treatment, you can use a warm compress with salty water to help reduce swelling. Mix a small amount of salt in a cup of warm water. Soak a clean cloth in the salty water, then gently wring it out. Place the warm cloth on your dog's eye. This can help soothe the eye and may make the gland go back in place. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. Always make sure the water is warm, not hot, and be very gentle. Massaging a dog's cherry eye gently can help reduce swelling and improve comfort. Use soft, circular motions around the affected area without putting pressure on the eye itself. Always be careful and gentle to avoid causing pain or irritation. To help with cherry eye, you can feed your dog anti-inflammatory foods. These foods may help reduce swelling from the inside. Anti-inflammatory foods can help reduce swelling and irritation associated with cherry eye in dogs. These foods support the immune system and promote healing by calming inflammation. To help treat cherry eye, it is important to keep your dog calm and relaxed. Too much excitement or movement can make the eye worse. Try to create a quiet and comfortable space for your dog to rest. Avoid rough play or running around while the eye is healing. Keeping stress low can help the healing process go faster. The Cozy Vest Dog Anxiety Vest helps calm dogs by gently wrapping around their body, making them feel safe and secure. It can reduce stress and anxiety during loud noises, travel, or separation. Many dogs feel more relaxed and comfortable when wearing the vest. Pet eye drops help keep your pet's eyes clean and healthy. They can reduce redness and irritation. Eye drops also help fight infections and allergies. Using them can make your pet more comfortable and protect their vision. So, by applying these tips and using these products, you can treat cherry eye disease in dogs.